Hey guys, today I'm gonna climb that boat like last time.
Let's go, Brady. Brady, I think you're supposed to climb the ladder.
Yeah, I don't really care. Oh, there was a ladder. Now I'm about to climb the boat.
You didn't really climb the pool because you stepped on the ladder.
Only once. Now I'm about to That was hard. I'm gonna try again.
What are you exactly
I did
doing?
it.
What are you doing?